everyone, today I would love to share with you my top 3 tips on how to wear black in your 50s. I'm going to show you the do's and don'ts and how to get yourself out of trouble and how to make black look beautiful. So if you'd like to know more, please keep watching. Okay, so the thing about black is that it's super slimming, which is amazing, and that's why we all love black. But when you're getting older and you're wearing black close to your face, it can show up everything, like your lines, wrinkles, dark circles under here, shadows under here. It kind of doesn't add color or light to our faces. So the key is to get the slimming part right and the closeness to your face right, and then you've got the combination to really look great in black. The very best thing about wearing black is that it's slimming, and the reason being is because black recedes and white makes bigger. So you can imagine a black car and a white car parked next to each other, identical cars. The black car will always look smaller, but it's actually not. It's just the optical illusion. Black reduces, and if you've got a room painted black, it'll look really small. If you've got a room painted white, it'll look much more spacious. So that's why we wear black. It's to create an optical illusion. We can make our bums look smaller. Any part of our body we can make look smaller by wearing black. But the trick is not to wear harsh black close against your face, because when it's worn close to your face, all of this suffers. And we don't want that to happen, because we need light and vitality and glow from our faces. So here are my 3 tips. Tip number 1, always make sure that close to your face is not harsh black. And that means doing things like adding lace to the fabric up near your face, or a sheer fabric like sheer black, or wearing cutouts in your clothes, or cut out shoulders, or showing more neck than fabric. I'll just show you here. For example, I've got this on, which is cutouts, and because I'm so fair, I am affected by harsh black, and this is just a rug, but I'll show you the difference. If this is up against my skin, it's like, whoa, where did all the color go? So by adding more of my skin color to show through the black, I still get the slimming effect of black, but I'm not getting that harshness. So if you can imagine trying to take away the harshness by adding softness, that is how you achieve tip number 1. Tip number 2, show shoulder and your chest. Show these areas off. Show your arms off and your shoulders off, and start the black more down here. So you've got skin, shoulders, and all of that will take the attention off the harsh black, but it'll keep you looking beautiful and slim. And it's really easy to wear it that way. If you've got beautiful skin, and just show it off. That's the second best way to wear black. Tip number 3, soften the black by adding white or a color. So this could be like adding a t-shirt under a leather jacket, a black leather jacket, or wearing a white shirt with a black dress or skirt, or adding a great neck piece or a scarf, or anything that's going to break the harshness from your neck to your face. This is what we've got to do. We've got to break this line. And that can easily be done. There's so many different options. And when you start playing around with this, you'll start noticing, yeah, I do look much better when that harsh black isn't against my face. So 3 easy tips. Just keep reducing the harshness from your face. Keep the slimming black down below. And I think that you'll find that this really works, and try incorporating it into your daily dressing routine. So I hope you've enjoyed these simple 3 tips to wearing black in your 50s. And if you'd love to know more about being fabulous in your 50s, please subscribe. Have a great day.